Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now, enable NFC in settings and keep screens unlocked. Open the file you want to send on your phone and have the recipient open a file manager or the receiving app. Make sure both devices are awake and NFC toggles show on. This activates the radio immediately. Move the backs together until you feel a vibration or see an NFC prompt. Once done, you will see a prompt to share or confirm. Don't tap away. Prepare to accept on the other device. You now trigger the connection. When the NFC prompt appears, tap the highlighted share or beam option. NFC's role is to hand off to Bluetooth or Wi-Fi direct, so you may see a pairing confirmation, accepted on both phones. Once paired, the larger data pipe handles the file. Keep devices close and avoid pressing home or locking the screen. If transfer begins, a progress bar displays. Let it finish. If you need to cancel, use the cancel or back control rather than separating devices abruptly. You finish by confirming the transfer complete notification and opening the received file to verify integrity. If nothing happened, first make sure NFC is still enabled and both screens are unlocked, then tap backs together again. Toggling NFC off and on often clears glitches. If you see pairing errors, reboot both phones and retry the process. This resets radios and clears stuck connections. One key troubleshooting tip: remove thick cases and keep devices within a few centimeters. NFC.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.